Make a great choice today with the 2021 Pacifica Hybrid. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid is a well-equipped vehicle that also provides owners with good mileage and 3 rows of seating. The functionality in this Pacifica, along with a plug-in hybrid, makes it difficult not to choose this vehicle. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, battery saver, braking assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.